Hey there, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you join me today. We're diving into an exciting topic that many of you might be thinking about: investing your first $1,000 in 2025. Sound interesting? Well, stay with me because I'm going to break down my approach and how you can make the most of your investment. Plus, I'll share some key strategies that you won't want to miss. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. And now let's imagine you've just received $1,000, or maybe you've managed to save it up over time. What's the best way to use it? For those new to investing, remember that investing is about making your money work for you. It's not just about finding quick gains but building long-term wealth. So, first things first, I would allocate $400 of my $1,000 into an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. We can call this our foundation investment. Solid, reliable, and a great place to start. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are trendy because they offer a simple way to invest in a broad market index without needing to pick individual stocks. Think of it as buying a slice of the entire stock market. Now you might be wondering, why the S&P 500? Well, this index includes 500 of the largest companies in the United States, from tech giants to consumer goods. It gives you instant diversification, which means less risk overall. So if one company performs poorly, others in the ETF might do well, balancing things out. Isn't that neat? Now on to the next part of my investment strategy. I would take $300 and invest in a growth stock. Growth stocks are companies that are expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to others in the industry. These can be tech companies, innovative startups, or even healthcare firms with groundbreaking treatments. The idea here is to find a company that excites you, one that you believe has the potential to disrupt its industry. Do any of you have a company in mind that you think could skyrocket? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. The next $200 I would allocate to a tax-advantaged account, likely a Roth IRA. Investing in retirement accounts is crucial because they offer tax benefits that allow your money to grow faster over time. You can't just think about today. Investing in your future is equally vital. Not only are you investing for potential gains, but you're also setting yourself up for a more comfortable retirement. But what about the remaining $100, you ask? This is where I'd sprinkle in a bit of fun and invest in something like cryptocurrency. Yes, cryptocurrencies can be volatile, but with small amounts you can explore this emerging market. Maybe try $50 each in a couple of promising cryptocurrencies that you believe have long-term potential. Just remember, do your research first. Here's a quick recap of my investment strategy for this $1,000. $400 in an S&P 500 ETF for stability, and $300 in a promising growth stock, $200 in a tax-advantaged account like a Roth IRA, and finally, $100 in cryptocurrency for a bit of excitement. And now you might be thinking, what if I wanted to change this up a bit? That's totally fine. The beauty of investing is that you can tailor your strategy according to your goals, risk tolerance, and interests. Remember, investing is a journey, and starting with even a small amount like $1,000 can lead to significant growth over time. Just keep learning, stay motivated, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy as needed. If you find this topic fascinating, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We'll have a lot more engaging content coming your way about investing, finance trends, and much more. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this breakdown gives you some ideas on how to invest your first $1,000 in 2025. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let's grow our wealth together.